happy birthday sa'yo. And sana makamit mo lahat ng gusto mo. Yun. Good health and enjoy your birthday today. Love you.
Hi Bes, happy birthday. Namimiss ko na kayo. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to kahit wala ako. Saan na tayo tumagay? Pag hindi na busy si Inday ha, rumarakit pa kasi. I love you, I miss you, ingat.
Binabati ko nga pala ng isang maligayang karawan si Marico Rich Geronimo. Sana ay maging ligtas ka na pang-araw-araw. Enjoy mo yung karawan at God bless. Ingat lagi. Peace out.
Hi Rich, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day, mo.
Hi Riz, happiest birthday, more clients to come.
Happy birthday, Rich. I love you so much. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! Hope you enjoy your day. Alam mo naman, love na love kita ever since mga bata pa tayo until now. Sana maging healthy lang lagi. Ingat-ingat palagi. And I know how much you love me. Bye-bye! Hope to see you soon. Love you, Momo.